So we're gonna put primer.
Mag-ano na lang tamag.
We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. Mas una pa ko naka-first kaysa sa makagulo as left and right.
We listen and
We don't judge.
We listen and we don't judge. I'm not really into younger boys than me have. Older.
Until now.
Oh, until
Same.
now. Grade 6 ko. Crush ko. Oh, grade 5.
Oh my gosh. We listen and we don't judge. Grade 6 ko naka-crush ko grade 2 eh.
Turns out, crush ko day ko ni kana sa fiction or sa mga movie ka na wala sa wall.
Yay, anak ka niya.
Yeah, anong karon pa man yung movie?
We listen and we don't judge. Katong magong first kiss dyan ako na emotionally attached me sa each other. Lalaki siya, o ya, somehow nagka-developan mi ba? O ya, among tawagan kay ko Papa Bear at Teddy Bear.
We listen. Third shot in this video. Pero
shot
ika-10th
overall.
Cheers. By the way, I'm using Kiehl's for my eyebrow in the shade of black brown.
Ako from Abu
Say
Dhabi.
water. Okay, we listen and we don't judge. College edition. Si ano?
Oh my gosh. Tapos,
Dili lang jud na ko siya feel ay di.
na siya pamatiun vibes.
Oo, gunahan og mga pamati ba ya guys? Dili ko pamati guys ha. Sadyang dili lang jud ko nagauna og kanang
Tagad.
tagad. Pero
Pamati
kapag-
jud ko to.
Kapag tagadun ko, managad pud ko.
Ako'y something anang kanang muli na dili man ang hip.
Ako po,
Nakanang-
common sense. Duh.
Unspoken rule.
Yeah, unspoken rule.
Listen and we don't judge. Kabalo, baka lagi na di ko ganun
God, that's controversial. Why?
Huli pa siya appeal, pero ang iyang isumbong kay kanang wala siya appeal. I mean, kung siguro, as ka nagkauban, okay o good siya. Pero if ka na someone to tell a secret, hindi siya okay.
Listen and we don't. Jijimunan ko sa yung sinuotan.
Yo!
Bad boy. Ano ni Art, evangelista? You do you. Pero, it's not flattering.
Siguro, at least, if pattern, kanang matchik, guru,
Oo.
iya mo, siya matchik. Kakuan ka to, iya mo.
Ano?
Yeah, iyang pants! Oh my God! We listen and we don't judge. Nalain ko kayo.
Pero ano ba, anak mati?
Next up, guys, like for me, I'm gonna do the Say Lady Pros and Concealer Palette. Yeah. to
Pero
correct-
na dapit dito. Diri na dapit mo din yung katulog. This is
These are
our
11
11th
shots
but it is
for
our
today.
4th.
Dapat chaser on the right.
Saan naman yung ayos din ba? Cheers! We listen and we don't judge. Nalain ko. Ano to Jollibee? Ano siya pula kaila sa ito?
As in, tapos. We listen and we don't judge. Di ko ganahan
Naa siya ik. Na ma-feel.
Ito ba siya ka-chismosa na po siya. Chusera ko siya sa kong kinabuhi. Mo po na kung dili ganahan yan. Liba kira siya. Out of a random. Kinamag wala gibuhat sa iyang tao ba pero liba ko niyo. 12 shots. Akong face care. Wala kong filter. Next ako kay eyeshadow.
Next ako kay eyeliner. We listen and we don't judge. Na ay order iya happy. Pero dili na ko mahingan sa iya. Gatugon kay ko.
Yawa na to.
Si Samadi.
Yawa ka! Pag sure di habayhala ka, dali na ba? Hila.
So na ni, ika. 13. 13.
13.
Tapos ika 6 karon
For this.
you know. Kani dili mo gamit na si Madian ni Mariana po ning gisumpa niya. Tanan ako mga gamit no dili siya naggamit. Except sa kani, ganahan kay si Madian ni magdigaw.
True! I really like... We listen and we don't judge. Maanay ko usay sa kanang. Napay ik sa people na kanang. Dili sila kalaag is nila ano. Kampay! I use the Caroline strobe stick to like put like a little bit of shimmer. I'll mix it with the Maybelline lip tint.
Mine, kay, nabutan ako siya sa Kondria.
Kusay!
Wala dyan mga things na you need to just shut up na lang. I don't know, maybe something was wrong. O, diba?
Blush girls. I actually put this on top of everything. So, for teens, I use my contour and writing stick sa CZ. I put the contour like right on top sa akong cheekbone.
Ano naman?
Kung ano siya para ma-spread siya, ana. So, like, it creates the shadow of the cheekbone. If under siya, ma-drag na gulo ang face under.
Ah,
So,
mo taas, imuhang na.
Dili
Wala to na ako siyang humay.
I don't actually put sa jawline kay,
Dili na need.
it's in there. Ay, mag-mention na natin names niya ko.
Sa imuhang...
Masay sa iya. Sige.
Unta. Turo mo na niya yung kilay.
Nasa isahay magug iyang kilik ka ng mga pang warehouse kay like kanang mo ano
May border
siya. Yeah.
Pero ganahan mo kayo, dili ka niya ibilin.
True.
Si Madi, ana. Dali si
Bitaw.
Madi. 15. Cheers.
You're a really good friend.
Ayun yan na lang pag uli na.
Ihulog ang buwan. Sige nga.
16 shot.
Dr. Sensitive all day.
I use Maybelline Fit Me.
Madi, tama di ay. May bilin baby cake ka.
Used and abused. Up to 16 hours oil control powder siguro in a different country, but in Philippines, guys, what we want are
Cheers. This is pang 17. Cheers, guys. Ubus na.
Ever Belanda from Pa. Ko lang ani kay Panda Ice kay siya guys.
Kani guys kay Caroline. Nakato. Powder matte lip tint.
Actually, nag-open me. Provide siya company profile. Or like, introduction.
Tapos dili siya nagasin sa GC. Pero nasa ko ay hang
I don't have anyone sa classroom. Dili ko enough ting vlog para maka-say ko kay something.
sige, sige lang.
Thank you for being generous sa kuha. Palit ulit kasukot sila ha. Like, for like no reason. Sa ko kimo siya ever nasukot for no reason.
So, ko po.
Yeah, ganino, maging anak feel ako sa atong barkada. Dili siya yung anak, pero sa katong sa
Gusto
other.
mong guniyan na mabilong siya sa ato. Maka na
Bilang
ma-part.
siya sa una actually. 18?
Yes, 18. Kasi apat to na 18!
Oh my gosh! I am fortune teller.
My birthday is January 18.
Mine is so far from 18. Last shot! So now, I'm gonna start with my lippy. I use 3 lipids, some Maybelline lip tint in the shade Chestnut on Point. And I use this sa akong outer lips lang.
Bring me down. Oh, oh, oh. Lower key lang na guys, kay super taas kayo yun.
Then, in the middle, I use this
In the middle of the night,
Mauve
in my
Couture
dreams.
to have like an ombre effect. It's like this, you really cannot appreciate it, but over that is I use Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 004 Silk. Here lang ako ginapunta sa middle.
Pero,
Like, look.
lisod kayo kanto ni Taylor ay.
Oh gosh. It's very shiny, shimmering. That's my lips. So my last step is actually setting spray. This is from Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Pero I don't like this because this is very baho. But it stays man in my face, but I really like the CZ pink. I just don't have it anymore.
Wala ko yung nanay na guys.
So, awa kong face. We're gonna let it dry on our show.
Let it dry.
Let it dry. Wow.
Oh, I know you love me. I know you care. Would have done whatever, and I just can't believe we're here together. And I just can't believe our first love will be running like baby, baby, oh, oh. I thought you'd always be mine.
Luda! When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody compared to my baby, nobody could do this and care from above. She knows she got me dazing, cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying,
Baby, no, like baby, 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 oh. I thought you'd always be mine.
I miss you, baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
Baby, I miss you.
Like
Come back.
Baby, baby, no, like baby.
Oscar,
baby,
listen, baby. I know I've been a bad girl, but come on. You'd have to be crazy not to take me back. Bum, chiro, ganun.
Dili, bro.
Bitch, let's go to the waist. They
Bitch.
say, but you say, well, drinking. Bad bitch like me, it's hard to come back.
This one's for the boys, the movie system, top down AC with a cooling system and cup in the blazing up. Got sex in the deck, like saving up. And he ill, he real, he might get a deal. He bought butters and he got a.
So this is my finished look, but I really don't have like the red hair and stuff like that.
Muna ko guys. Though, mura siya hapit-hapit sa ako ang everyday look.
Oh my God.
Yeah, fresh because dili ko ang yan ganung mga like
Super.
bold glamour wear o face dili ang ayan.
Double glamour.
Oh,
Yeah.
kay grabe kay mo ano siya maayo.
Meron akong Roblox. Ay, mag-test at flashback.
Sige daw, test daw ako oh.
I-close daw ang kanang lights.
Close?
I-turn off.
Like everything.
Yeah. Ay, ko pa kayo ko.
Ay, wala man lagi.
Wala mo ako kinaa. Look, guys.
May flashback akin, guys.
I have mine. It's under this one. Go pala ko eh. Anyways, guys, that will be all for today. Before
Challenge success!
drunk makeup challenge for wala may na
Wala
drunk.
Nakatulog lang may gabi, guys.
Yeah, so
That's
pwede
why
siya tungod sa
nag-take
ka-tipsy or like very siya ka-sleepy na jud.
Grabe siya.
Yeah.
As in, lamig pa siya kayo mo inom good gabi, guys. Kaya naganahan na siya kay ko. Kaning isa dari, ah.
Guys,
Itulugan na pod ko.
halata kayo siya sa kunan ala na to nag-apat
Makita niyo, makita rin niyo sa video. Nakita man guro niyo sa video, guys, di ba? Kita na niyo. Sorry.
Sa taas sa kailang eh.
So, guwapo. May fresh cake ko, madi.
So pretty. Bye. Oh,
Bye-bye.
open akong bye guys. Bye guys. Mwah. Yeah, what's up. Bye guys. Ay, parang babakay ko. Bye guys.